team ThreadPilot. So what we are trying to do here is that engineering teams spend enormous mental energy just staying in sync, reading through hundreds of Slack messages, hunting for blockers, trying to find out which team is waiting for whom. ThreadPilot fixes that. Let me show you. I'm going to trigger the system right now with a single command. So now what's happening here is that while it runs, it's pulling conversations from three simulated team channels: mechanical, electrical, and software. It's sending those messages through an AI pipeline hosted entirely on AWS, and in about 30 to 60 seconds, it will post a structured digest back to Slack. Now, there it is. One clean digest per team summaries, a list of blockers with the owners and severity. So it discusses about what decisions were made, the cross team dependency alerts, and a separate DM as well for leadership with just the executive view. Now, our bot is also capable of issuing Jira tickets and blocking Google Calendar events dynamically as the issues and the problems come on. That's every morning, automatically, zero effort from the team. Walk you through how this is built and specifically how I leveraged AI and AWS to make it work at scale. The system is a five-stage pipeline, all serverless, all on AWS. The stage one is aggregation. A message aggregator pulls Slack messages through the Slack SDK, filters noise, and formats the text for the model. The stage two is the team analyzer. AI analysis with Amazon Bedrock. This is the core. I'm using Amazon's Bedrock Nova micro model, Amazon's fastest, lowest latency model. Perfect for this use case because I need structured JSON out quickly, not creative prose. I engineered two specialized agents on top of it. The team analyzer agent takes raw messages for a single team and returns the structured JSON object. A narrative summary, a list of blockers with owner and severity, decisions made, and action items with deadlines. One bedrock invoke model call per team. The dependency linker then takes the output from all teams and finds cross team coordination issues. For example, it detected that electrical is blocked, waiting on mechanical's motor mount dimensions. That's a real insight buried in thread noise that no one would manually catch. And then comes the stage three, which is personalization. A ranking engine reorders the content based on recipient's role. Executives get a one paragraph summary and blockers only. Tech leads get full team breakdowns, ICC action items relevant to the channel, and it also learns as it eventually works within Slack. You can directly use your terminal in Windows and use the curl command with the lambda URL to trigger this. Otherwise, you can also clone the repository, open a terminal, and just run the judge demo script that is already available. This would trigger the entire system again, and you can actually see that the digest is generated and the electrical and mechanical would have those messages get posted eventually. Uh, and as well, you can also see a summary in your terminal as well. So you don't really need to open Slack for it.